Good morning, people.
What's the matter, Raymond?
Nothing will happen today.
Why is
because
that?
one of our crew member, no names, no nothing. Guess what he brought instead of bait? Have a good look at this.
What's wrong with that, Ray? Big Queenie.
Look at the lipstick she's got on.
Nice nannies. What's the matter, mate?
Michael,
Talk to me. What's the matter, Raymond?
Right.
Is it this?
this is our lunch bag.
You get him back, you reckon? What do you got? Oh, bait!
The Jewy.
Looks like a queenie.
Looks like a big Queenie. It's a Queenie. And my line, I knew I had it there. Beautiful, but well done. Broke the hoodoo. Alrighty. What do you got there, Raymond?
Headache material.
Limoncello.
Raimondo over there. Bit of limoncello. Cheers, mate.
Shut up and sit down.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. What are we doing today, mate?
We're a bit excited today
Right.
because I think today will be a good day.
We're going to be on the water. It's going to be a good day, mate.
The wind is dropping. Everything is fine.
Good. Morning, Gary.
Morning, Mickey.
And unfortunately, Jade's going to go back. He's picked the eye out of the weather and
Too windy.
he's going to go home.
Way too
Can't handle
windy.
the wind. See, so that's young.
No stamina.
That's it. Alright guys, we'll see you out there today. See what we can get. Hopefully a 17 kilo Jewy. That's what we're after today.
Yeah.
Jewies.
It's Ray's wish list.
That's it. Alright guys. Hang on.
Fish. Good morning, people.
What's the matter, Raymond?
There's nothing is the matter.
What's the matter, Raymond?
Nothing will happen today.
Why is
because
that?
one of our crew member,
Show
we
this.
won't
I'll get
see,
out.
we won't talk, no names, no nothing. Yeah? Guess what he brought instead of bait? Have a good look at this.
What's wrong with that, Ray? What's wrong with that, Ray?
Nothing.
What does that
mirror will
what does,
flash it out.
what does that mean, Ray?
That we're doomed for today.
We're doomed.
We're done.
Why? What's the matter?
It's bad luck.
Bad luck.
And every fisherman knows it.
Oh.
Nick, day two. After about an hour of route round.
Me too.
Double hookup. Oh, no, we're right. Bend in the rod. Mickey's were very focused. That looks like a solid fish, Nick. Jason? Bananas. I thought you had a fish. Grab, Ray. He dropped it.
Big Queenie.
Hang on, you've got my rope. My
Yeah,
rope.
no. Just trying to get
Look at the
fish in.
lipstick she's got on.
Hang on.
Mickey action shot again. Oh, sorry, Ray.
This one's a good dog.
Oh, you got a bite, Jason?
Raymond, you know what you got?
Head down.
There's another one down there though.
I've got my Jewy for
Raymond,
No,
what did you say yesterday?
I'm gonna catch a Jewy. What did I
What's
do?
that?
What did I do?
Hey?
Is banana hoodoo gone?
Ask your mate.
Well, I lost mine. Raymond got his. Look at the size of this nanny. Look at it. Look at it. Happy days. Gary here's on at the back there. We're getting blown to the shit house at the moment, but we're still out here doing it. We're doing it still. We believe this is a Jewfish, but it might be potatoes. Who knows? We'll see. It's all to do with the bananas. It's all to do with the bananas. You got the one that I lost. It's Jewy all day. Big nanny. Holy shit! Look at him! Look at him! Look at the nanny! Look at the nanny! Oh my god! Look at that! Alrighty, look at that! Holy shit! That's huge! These boys are making me sick. Making me sick. What's the matter, Raymond?
It's the rest of the nannies.
Nice. Nice nannies. So, Raymond,
Yes.
you're a bit wet, mate.
Yeah, well, we had a bit of a minor incident. Only a small one.
G'day, Jace.
Hey, mate.
You're a bit wet too. What happened to you?
Yeah, a bit excited about it.
Anyway, guys, there's a bit of a, I don't know if you can see it out there, but whew, it's just come up rough. We're going to come through a bar crossing. Raymond, what's the matter, mate?
Michael?
Talk to me. What's the matter, Raymond?
It's nothing is the matter. It's just,
What's the matter, Raymond?
you know,
Is it this?
this is our lunch bag today. Look what they've done to me.
That's his fault, wasn't their
That's
fault?
him. You know. Thank you very much.
So you reckon you can give him back, can't you?
I think I'll.
Are you going to touch him?
No, I can't. Hang on.
Get him back, you reckon?
So I hope this
But
will. I have to burn the bag, of course.
no.
The bag has to go. Of course, yeah.
We did alright though.
Oh, we did okay. We got drenched. We got flooded.
Old wives' tales, man.
Okay, well.
Good morning! Wow.
We're just having a shower. Yeah, we're just having our second shower for today.
This is
Oh, it's stinging! Oh, it's stinging! Oh, man.
well, good morning. Welcome to another show. We're not in the shower. This is the ocean today. And I tell you what, it's serving up a beautiful morning of chop and wind, and the weather sort of was a little bit wrong, I think. Have a look at Raymond's head. Smashed it. Shit. Anyway, we don't know what we're going to get today, but hopefully we get back home. That's what I'm looking for. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you after the shower.
First drop, first fish of the day. Octopussy.
Gary's on there too, look.
Panning over here. We got no idea. Okay.
Boys, little break, see, what do you got? What do you got? Oh, bait. Yeah, don't lose him, don't lose him. Get him in, he's gonna, you know.
The Jewy.
What'd you do, Raymond? Disguise yourself, didn't you?
I did. I went like this.
Yeah.
And then all hell broke loose. See?
God. Long time coming. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
That's what it feels like? Queenie?
Feels like a queenie.
Looks like a big queenie. It's a nice queenie. It's a queenie. And my line, I knew I had it there. Beautiful, but woo! Well done.
It broke
Broke the hoodoo. Alrighty.
Mickey,
Right, mate.
get a bite.
Well, maybe this is decent because a long time coming, mate. Long time coming.
I think I've got you.
Hey?
I've got you,
What
babe.
you got, mate? See what this is.
Alright.
You're undercover Raymond, eh? Undercover Raymond.
Call it, Mickey.
Hey?
Call it.
I reckon it's going to be a snapper, to be honest.
Pinky.
No, probably queenie. But it's
Queen's
fighting the
snap.
same, yeah.
I think I still got you.
Yep, queenie. Another queenie.
for the colours.
Alright, I'm going to sort this shit out and see for the next one. Rondo! Big black ass. Look at it. Look at the size of this. Beautiful, Raymond. Oh. I dropped it. That's great. Beautiful. Nice. Well done, mate. Alright. See what's next. What you got, Gaz?
Real fish!
Watch your drag. This needs to come in.
It's coming in.
Look at the soundings of this. What are we getting? Oh, God. Come on, Gaz. You can do it all the way up. Hopefully it gets it in. Well, guys, we're back in. Boys cleaning up. Doing the shed. I'm coming back into the shore channel, and the wind's just hasn't really given up much today. We've got a few fish, but you know, only a few, and got out in the water anyway. So okay, guys, we're gonna go head back into the channel, so we're gonna go and put the boat back on. What do you got there, Raymond?
Headache material.
All right, so this is TK, is that right?
No, that's Barney.
Barney and
Barney, TK.
TK. Look, these guys have just been partying next door. No, they had been enjoying themselves next door, and they just come across. And this is a homemade brewery. So Barney's giving
Limoncello.
Raimondo over there. Bit of limoncello. Cheers, mate.
Voila.
At
What time is it?
3 o'clock in the afternoon.
There's no face on your watch.
Bit of party fun. All right, see you soon, guys. Barney, what are you doing now?
Oh, a bit of a turkey sample.
Oh, turkey.
What was that one?
That was
Black
a
Sambuca.
Sambuca, turkey, and cello, limoncello. Eh?
Can't go wrong.
Mate,
They're all grappa based, yeah?
Grappa base.
Yeah. Well, boys, cheers, because I've got to film.
Lovely and smooth.
Mm.
Not bad.
There you go, man. Done well. You've done well, brother. Done well.
you done well.
He's going back for a second sip.
Yeah, so it can't be doing that.
I went and had a shower, and these blokes. Look at this. Look at this.
I've
This is
already
about.
downloaded the spot.
Yeah, look, download my spots. Trying to steal my shit.
Yeah, you can have a
What's going on? Hey? This guy's the worst one. Yeah. He's the worst one.
download the spots.
Absolute trouble.
These boys are crazy. I don't know if we're going to make it by tomorrow, I think.
Lucky we've been quiet all week, hey?
Yeah, yeah, lucky.
We're back.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Harry.
Piggy. Yeah, mate.
So we need a good shower, clean up, you know. Raymond.
Sleep.
Oh, look, we're back now and unloading the boat and all the shit. So we'll see you next vid. See you soon.